How does secondary trauma affect healthcare professionals? Imagine dedicating your day to caring for others, listening to their most difficult stories, and witnessing their pain firsthand. While this work can be deeply rewarding, it also exposes healthcare professionals to emotional challenges that can accumulate over time. Secondary trauma, also known as compassion fatigue, occurs when caregivers absorb the distress and suffering of their patients, leading to significant emotional and psychological effects. This phenomenon often manifests through symptoms similar to post-traumatic stress disorder, including intrusive thoughts, emotional numbness, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Healthcare workers may find themselves feeling overwhelmed or exhausted even after their shifts end, which can impact their overall mental health. The constant exposure to traumatic stories and situations can erode their emotional resilience, making it harder to maintain empathy and patience with patients and colleagues. Secondary trauma can also influence physical health. Chronic stress associated with emotional exhaustion can lead to issues such as sleep disturbances, headaches, gastrointestinal problems, and increased susceptibility to illnesses. Over time, these physical symptoms may contribute to burnout, a state characterized by emotional depletion, reduced performance, and a sense of detachment from work. The effects extend beyond individual health, impacting workplace dynamics and patient care quality. Healthcare professionals experiencing secondary trauma might become less engaged, more prone to errors, or less empathetic toward patients. This can create a cycle where the quality of care diminishes and professionals feel even more overwhelmed or disillusioned. Organizations that recognize the impact of secondary trauma often implement support systems such as counseling services, peer support groups, and stress management training. Promoting a culture of open communication and self-care can help healthcare workers process their experiences and build resilience. Regular breaks, mindfulness practices, and professional development focused on emotional well-being are also effective strategies. Understanding how secondary trauma influences healthcare professionals is crucial for fostering a sustainable and compassionate healthcare environment. By addressing these emotional challenges proactively, healthcare organizations can help their staff maintain their mental health, improve job satisfaction, and continue providing high-quality care to those in need.